Today we have to discuss about the topic is multiple myeloma in non-epithelial tumors. This multiple myeloma, it is a most common primary neoplasm of skeletal system. The malignancy of plasma cell is subset to B cells, which means the plasma cells are raised from the B cells. If malignant transformation occur in single plasma cells, it clones produce only single type of immunoglobulin, that is monoclonal. The pathogenesis, it is unknown etiology, although the radiation exposure or occupational like agriculture, rubber plant, etc., or chemical exposure, chromosomal alteration, those conditions leads to the formation of myeloma. Clinically, mostly 60 to 65 years of age group peoples are commonly affected, and it is rare in children. Men's are mostly affected, and 90% have osseous involvement. If it involves the osseous, mostly vertebral column, skull, pelvis, femur are affected. There is a bone pain is due to that osteolytic activity. Because of these cancer cells can stimulate the osteoclast and inhibit the osteoblast. So osteoclitic activity is possible. So compression fracture leads to bone pain and lytic bone lesions. And anemia, these plasma cells may disturb the formation of RBC. As a result, anemia happen. It is multicentric, so multiple, so it is occurring every part of the body. And hypercalcemia is due to osteoclast and recurrent infection, kidney failure. The kidney failure is due to this gamma, this immunoglobulin. These plasma cells produce a large number of immunoglobulin and disturb the kidney area, and reducing anemia leads to kidney failure. 95% cases mandibles are mostly affected, and especially ramus, angle and molar regions are commonly affected. Pain, swelling and expression of jaw and numbness and gingival enlargement and epilepsy are also seen. Radiographically, there is a punched out appearance will be noted and vary in size from millimeter to several centimeter in diameter. There is no peripheral bone reaction. In laboratory features, there is a light chain in urine. Because of this, plasma cell can produce immunoglobulins, and two light chain also produce, especially lambda and kappa is bones is found in the bones John's protein is noted. Bone-Jones protein is nothing but heating the urine up to 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. The urine get coagulated, and later cooled, the coagulation get disappear. So the Bone-Jones protein will be noted. Also, it is noted in leukemia and polycythemia. Anemia, monoclonal hyperglobulinemia, it is also indication in laboratory diagnosis. IgG melanoma is high in nature, and later followed by IgA is noted. Hypercalcemia, hyperuricemia, alkaline phosphatase, these are the indications of the osteoclastic activities. And elevated sedimentation rate also seen. This is the sheet of closely packed cells of the plasma cells. It is round or ovoid, eccentrically placed in nucleus, and it look like cartwheel appearance. The two nuclei with single cells are also seen, and mitotic activity is not greater. The perinuclear hollow may be seen. The perinuclear hollow is nothing but it is a coilocytes. There is a clear cytoplasm, and center hyperchromatic nuclei will be seen. Russell bud is also seen. The perinuclear have numerous mitochondria, and Golgi complex are also seen, and immunoperoxidase technique is used. In case of there is a swelling occur in a jaw, it is due to plasma cells or inflammatory cells. In order to avoid the confusion, the inflammatory plasma cells by using immunoperoxidase shows the polyclonal staining, and neoplasia immunoperoxidase showing monoclonal staining, which means the polyclonal staining is nothing but there is a multiple number of variety of plasma cells, that is IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD, and the neoplasia monoclonal staining shows that is only one type of cells only shown, that is immunoglobulin cells only shown. So it is easily distinguishable by using immunoperoxidase. The treatment is bisphosphonate therapy to reduce the osteoclastic activity, and chemotherapy is used to reduce the number of malignant neoplasm. And extramedullary is highly curable. Extramedullary is nothing but this is a plasma cell tumor is present in the soft tissue and bone, which can turn into extramedullary plasmacytoma, which can turn into that multiple myeloma in 60%, totally 60% cases. Thank you.